Okay, let's see if we can get this. There's Mama Woodpecker feeding her young. She's going up to the suet feeder. She takes a few whacks and she comes down, and then they and she shoves it down his beak. These are little Downy woodpeckers. They're tiny little things. And the light here is not really great. But this is how it goes. Doink, doink, doink. Yes. This is how Junior gets his food. I think Junior just flew off. Okay. Anyway. I'm glad I finally got a little glimpse of that to record. It's like Mama's feeding herself now. Up there on the suet feeder, and there they go.